Simple Solutions is an easy-to-use restorative system that enables clinicians to deliver cement-retained restorations with a minimal number of office visits. Simple Solutions components are designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. All mating parts are color-coded for ease of use and are packaged in 3 separate compartments that are opened as needed by members of the restorative team. During the first restorative visit, the abutment is seated, an impression is made, and a provisional restoration is delivered. Unscrew the healing abutment with an 050 hex driver. Irrigate the prosthetic platform to remove any debris and dry thoroughly. Seat the Simple Solutions abutment in the implant's internal hex. Insert the abutment screw and finger tighten with a hex driver. Apply 30 Newton-centimeters of torque to the screw with a calibrated torque wrench. An abutment clamp may be used to help shield the bone implant interface from excessive stress. Seat the impression cap using the exterior ridges as visual guides to align the cap's internal flats with the abutment flats. The cap must snap into the groove at the base of the abutment. Syringe an elastomeric impression material around the impression cap. Record a full arch impression with a tray loaded with the same or heavier bodied material. After the material sets, carefully remove the tray with the incorporated cap. Verify the complete adaptation of impression material around the cap. Fill the screw access channel with a resilient material to prevent the ingress of cement. Line the inside margin of the healing cap with a thin layer of soft access cement and seat over the abutment. Remove any excess cement from the sulcus. Check occlusion and modify as needed to eliminate any contact. Send the replica, waxing sleeves, and impression, as well as a bite registration, shade, and a posing model to the laboratory. At the lab, the impression and replica will be used to create a stone model that represents the exact orientation of the abutment in the patient. The waxing sleeve may be used as a base for the coping, which will be invested and cast into a high noble alloy framework for a porcelain fused to metal prosthesis. The waxing sleeve's retentive snap ring is replicated in the casting and must be removed with the appropriate diameter casting reamer. The final prosthesis will be delivered at the second restorative visit. Remove the healing cap, making sure the abutment is free from residual cement and debris. Seat the prosthesis and confirm fit and contour. Check occlusion and modify if necessary. Line the inside margin of the prosthesis with a thin layer of soft access cement. Seat the prosthesis and remove any excess cement from the sulcus. Take a radiograph for prosthesis delivery records and dismiss the patient with home care instructions.